New E46C presetter series, the evolution of the species. We have developed a completely new product design, making it even more ergonomic and attractive. All of our components are designed and developed internally, allowing us to achieve high levels of precision while completely controlling quality, also ensuring all elements work in harmony. We have been using natural granite as a building material for over 30 years. The high degree of thermal and dimensional stability guarantees unparalleled precision and repeatability. The new generation software, developed with modern technologies and smartphone-style functionality, allows the use of the presetter in a simple and intuitive way. The evolution of the presetter is in its software. The E46CX presetter is the maximum expression of Elbo Controlli Nikken technology. The new measuring concept makes the measurement on this machine fully automatic. In fact, once programmed, the E46CX is able to autonomously carry out what has been requested. It is the presetter that suits your needs. Elbo Controlli Nikken, presetting experience for over 40 years.